Lipcare Guide: How to Achieve Soft, Plump and Beautiful Lips. Welcome back to my channel, your pathway to soft, plump and beautiful lips. In this video, we'll take you through simple yet effective steps to achieve the perfect pout. Step 1. Exfoliation. Start by exfoliating your lips to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, softer lips underneath. Step 2. Hydration. Keep your lips hydrated by applying a nourishing lip balm regularly throughout the day. Stay hydrated from the inside out by drinking plenty of water. Hydration is key to maintaining soft and supple lips. Step 3. Treatments. Treat your lips to a moisturizing lip mask or treatment at least once a week to deeply nourish and rejuvenate. Step 4. Protection. Just like your skin, your lips need protection from the sun. Apply a lip balm with SPF before heading out. Step 5. Massage. Gently massage your lips with a lip serum or oil to improve circulation and enhance natural plumpness. And finally, add a pop of color with your favorite lipstick or lip gloss to complete your soft, plump and beautiful lips. By following these simple steps, you can achieve the perfect pout you've always desired. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.